talk a little bit about home equity, and there maybe are reasons, but the news cycle is such because people, folks, you're worth some money to some lenders out there, and you're worth some money to some people because you want to pay some stuff off, or maybe go buy that fancy BMW, pulling all your equity out of your residence. Personally, I'd probably stay away from that. If you're going to do anything with your equity, you definitely want to prioritize what you're going to be doing. If you have 30 or 40 or 50 grand or whatever the number is in high interest credit card debt, and you're going to, and these terms on these credit cards at that high interest rate, they were never meant for you to take that money and pay it off over 30 years. Credit cards, and I know we all got them and we all got them charged up and it's crazy, but they're really meant for temporary purchases and stuff that you're going to pay back. My suggestion is this: look into your finances. See if there's another way to catch up and tackle the credit cards.